Hello guys, welcome to another real estate video. I'm David and you're watching PrimeView. Today we're in Kiryat HaLeom. This neighborhood is very nice neighborhood. I give you a few key facts about this neighborhood so you know, and then later I will tell you the prices of the apartments. So this is prime central location. Kiryat HaLeom is located in the heart of Jerusalem, home to Israel's main government institutions, including the Knesset and the Supreme Court. Everything is very close. It's part of the new entrance to the city district, offering quick access to major roads and public transportations. Guys, the transportation is amazing here. You're in the entrance of the city. It's a few minutes from the central bus station, from the light rail, and from the train to Tel Aviv. 30 minutes you're in Tel Aviv. 20 minutes you're in Ben Gurion airport. Guys, this is insane. So it's modern urban development. This area is undergoing massive development with new residential towers, luxury projects, and cutting-edge urban design. It's one of Jerusalem's most ambitious real estate zones, combining business, living, and culture in one modern district. Guys, look around. Everything under construction, as you see everywhere. Here you see the building in front of us. This is Kiryat Moshe. We've been there last video. So as I said, excellent transportation. The high-speed train station Yitzhak Navon connects Kiryat HaLeom directly to Tel Aviv in 30 minutes. The light rail system and planned extensions make this one of the most accessible parts of the city. For both families and investors, the district attracts both long-term residents and investors. It's close to the city life, yet quiet and organized, ideal for professionals, diplomats, and families looking for premium city living. This is how it looks inside. Prestige, culture, and green spaces. The area includes landmarks like Rose Garden, National Museums, and green open spaces. It's not just for a new neighborhood. It's a blend of modern design, culture, and national pride. Also, it's very close, like 2 minutes walking from Cinema City. Okay, you can watch movies. So, guys, the cheapest. Before I tell you the prices, the dollar is $1 equals 3.27 shekels. Okay. The cheapest one is 3.5 million shekels. It's a bit more than $1 million. It's 3 rooms, 65 square meters. You have air conditioner and you have private parking, 2 elevators, yes, and it's around 53,000 shekel per square meter, guys. Let's see what else we have. So the range is like from 3.5 and up. You have 5, you have 10, you have 12. 12 is this is yeah, it's like duplex. It's this is insane. Yeah, wow. It's 200 meters, 5 rooms, large living room. It's 2 floors. It's 6 and 7. Yeah, you know, you can get amazing apartment, but it costs money. Let's see what else. Those are the prices, guys. As you see, very quiet here. A lot of areas around under construction. They're building new buildings. This area will be insane.
You sound excited about it. It's good.
Guys, this is a dream. 20 minutes to the airport. No traffic jams in the train. This is a dream. And those are the tall buildings, 2 tall buildings from the Machane Yehuda market area. So guys, thanks for watching PrimeView. Like the video, subscribe for more tours.